Hi, everybody. Welcome to the U.S. Capitol. Along with Ray Ferraro, I'm James Cebulski here in Washington, D.C. Interesting to hear from both coaches this morning in their media news conferences saying that likely they'll make moves tonight after this one.
Well, they're trying to get down to a number where you can start to form your line, start to build a little cohesion in your forward groups and your defense pairings. And with too many players, it's almost impossible.
Officials made his way here to center, and this first period is about set to go. The Capitals start with possession as we are now underway. Slides the puck across to DeSingle. The Rangers have it from their own end. Moves it to Panarin. Slides the puck over. A little rock'em sock'em on the play. And now it's grabbed by Kuznetsov. And he slides it quickly to Carlson. And a poke check knocks the puck away. Picked up along the boards by Orlov. And now he angles it across to DeSingle. Slides it across to Carlson. Washington's got the puck against the boards. Played big in the moment there. Couldn't find the intended target. Tries to get the puck to Orlov. And now he moves it to Kuznetsov. New York's got possession here in the neutral zone. Moves it to Zibanejad. Moves it quickly over to Bushnevich. Good defensive effort to poke it away. From the left side, they gain the zone. There's the whistle. Offside is the call. Inching closer to the midway mark of this period. Washington's up 1-0. Nice job tying up his opponent. Slides the puck ahead to Evans. The Rangers are in transition. Couldn't connect on that pass. Quick pass to Nordstrom. Quick feed to Hathaway. Nice stick work to knock the puck loose. Settles things down and gets control of it once again. Denied by the goaltender.
Georgiev's strength is technically, he is outstanding. Here's a save, and the puck's in the corner.
Quick pass to Bushnevich. Getting a little physical out there, but still holds on to the puck. Too much congestion, blocks the shot. And now he moves it quickly to Orlov. They gain the offensive zone from the middle. Good check, frees the puck up. Getting into the later stages of this period, the Capitals have taken a 1-0 lead. Zibanejad's won it off the faceoff. And the goaltender grabs that one for a whistle to try to slow things down here. Puck possession so critical. Another faceoff coming up here. Kuznetsov's won the draw. And that beat the goaltender, but couldn't beat the post.
The Capitals are hit with a little bit of bad luck here. This is a really good shot. The puck hits the post, but they're still leading the game.
Save made by the goalie. Pins him against the boards as they battle for the loose puck. New York's got a hold of it along the wall. And that goes off a player. Puck scooped up by DeSingle. Washington's got it in their own zone. Moves it over to Kuznetsov. Right in the slot. And he can't find his man. The Rangers get a hold of the puck in their own end. Through the middle of the ice, they enter the attacking zone. Moves the puck to Evans. Steps across the blue line. Stops him cold. Well, this one so far living up to the hype as the first period comes to an end. Period number 2 seems ready to go. The teams are set. My broadcast partner, Ray Ferraro, is also set. Let's do this. Here we go. Middle frame now underway as the puck drops. The Capitals gain possession along the wall. The Rangers have it in the offensive zone. Handles the puck at the point. And that shot goes nowhere as the lane was filled. Denies him again.
Stop one, stop two. The goalie makes a couple of excellent saves.
Still plenty of time left in this frame. We got a 1-0 game to this point. New York's got it, and they're on the attack. And that carries off a stick. Grabbed along the boards by Panarin. Here's a short pass to Evans. Sends the pass over. And they'll be forced to regroup after the puck bounces out of the offensive zone. Moves it to Zibanejad. Good heads-up play in the defensive zone. From the right side, takes the pass. New York's ready to go on the attack. Moves it around along the half wall. Too much congestion in front. Takes the feed. The Capitals move it in. Here's the pass. Gets in front of it. Another stop by the goaltender.
He's sharp on this one. Out on top of the crease aggressively to make the save.
The Senators will glide into the dot. Puck is dropped and he wins the draw here in the defensive zone. He got all of that one. Washington's got a hold of it against the wall. Moves it quickly over to Orlov. Oh, set that hit up perfectly. Puts a little mustard on the hit to knock the puck loose. And it's a quick pass to Trouba. Kreider's moving the puck through his own zone. The Capitals have it against the wall. With authority. Ray, it almost looks like one end of the ice is under siege out there.
Man, they've tipped the game over for sure, and the coach is reminding the players, in particular, his youngest player, the rookie, don't take a step back. Keep pushing the play while we have it going our way.
New York's looked good offensively to this point, but they continue to trail here in the second. Dowd's won the faceoff, working to shake the pressure from the defensive zone. And he's able to move the puck across the blue line and out of harm's way. Tosses it on to Hedl. Along the half wall with the puck. Quick feed to Evans. Moves the puck.
Kakko's job on this power play is to get to the front of the net.
Scores! And they take advantage!
A really confidently run power play, right from the way they entered the zone, the way they held onto the puck and moved it, and they found the open man. Really good maneuverability in a tight spot down by the net. He gets the pass, and he one-times that in from the low slot.
New York's back to center ice, and now it is just a deficit of one.
What a difference just the one goal makes in the way that you look at the game, what makes you think is possible. They only need one more to even this up.
Handles the puck. Picking up steam in the offensive zone. Oh, he'd like to have that pass back. New York's got the puck here in the open ice. The Capitals take possession in the defensive end. Quick pass to Orlov. And he gains the zone here. Coughs up possession of the puck. Right up the gut, here they go. Moves it to Buchnevich. Here's a chance. Makes the save. Puck battle along the boards. New York's got a hold of it along the wall. Traps that puck tight into his chest. Still too close to call in this one as the second period comes to an end. Time to drop the puck here in period number 3. Washington's won the draw in the neutral zone. Orlov's got it in the defensive end. Takes the pass. Handles the puck from the left side. New York's gained possession along the boards. Quick pass across to Orlov. The Rangers get a hold of the puck. Receives the pass. Takes the feed at the back end. No room for that one to get through. Pokes the puck away. Here's a short pass to Trouba. Takes the feed. Nice pass. Oh, that's a good hit. Sends a pass over. Now a quick pass to Oshie. Here's a chance, a 2-on-1. What a steal in his own end. Slides the puck over. Puts it on net and makes the save.
Copley's job is not just to stop the puck, but get it out of danger. He does that here.
Finds some space in the corner. Moves right to the middle. Oh, and he'll be shaking his head on that as they were so close. Washington's got the puck in the defensive end. Eller's got it against the boards. Here's a howitzer at the net. Oh, what a stop. And they fail to go tape to tape. Moves it quickly over to Orlov. Look out. The Rangers have had more chances offensively, but they have not been able to convert trailing here in this third. And the man advantage fails to pay off as both teams are back at even strength. Breakaway! What a defensive effort to break up that one!
Looked like the shooter was in clean till the defender came back and made an excellent play.
What hustle! More than half the period has gone by. Hope you're enjoying this one. The Capitals are clinging to a 2-1 lead. While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. And that's blocked away. Comes up with the stick save. Copley's going to hang on for a whistle here in the third.
Well, there's not much time left here as you get into the final 20 minutes. The game's close. A mistake now would be critical.
Sneaks away with the puck after he was tangled up on the draw. Slides it on over to Taves. Drives to the sweet spot. Oh, what a blocker stop by Georgiev.
The shooter's right in the guts of the ice, but the goalie squares up, spreads out, and makes the save.
Scores! We're all tied up!
Oh, it's getting to a stage in the game where you think they're not going to be able to find the equalizer, but they stay at it, and they get it done. It's been a pretty big mountain they've had to climb here, and they work all the way back to complete the comeback.
New York's late third period goal certainly opens up a lot of decision-making for the coaches, doesn't it?
It does, but they must feel pretty good about their position because they just scored. I suspect they've got a little bit of a leg up, even though the game is tied.
Oh, look at this, 3 o'clock in the parking lot.
Is it 3 o'clock already? Down they go.
Wow, and it's time for referee Gilles Levesque to step on in here, right?
Yeah, this is clearly over, James. Well, that'll do it as they ride them off to the penalty box, each to their own bench to sit for 5 minutes. I hope he can get a drink of water. Last time in there, the bottle was empty, which really must stink because you're tired and thirsty, and now you get a bowl of dust.
You don't miss a thing, do you?
No, I was in there, and I hated it.
Regulation time comes to an end. That means we've got some overtime coming up. Overtime, moments away. Overtime has begun. Ray, I know you love these moments. The Rangers are feeling much better about themselves as they deliver an OT.
I thought they were starting to wear down, James, but they get the...
Ray, how do you assess how the coaching staff's been kind of pushing the youngster here?
Well, there's always a push and pull, James. You can't give a young player too much responsibility because maybe they can't handle it. So they've been giving him a little bit, but they weren't happy. They felt there was another tier there, and I think we saw it with the message he gave to the player early in this game.
And a couple of other roster races that we've been focusing on. Hey, it's been talked about to death. It started before camp, before the physicals for that matter. Can the rookie crack the roster? Can he make the team, this youngster? A lot of anticipation. There's one game to go. And I'll tell you what, I would be shocked. I will be shocked if he's not on the opening night roster. He's been that good. He's been very good in my mind. I don't think this game is going to make or break based on the body of work that I've seen from him so far. Doesn't hurt if he plays well, but I think he's on this team. What say you? We'll hear from you and what you have to say, and we'll do that. Hi, everybody. Welcome to Newark, New Jersey. Along with Ray Ferraro, I'm James Cebulski. Puck drop just moments away from this preseason tilt. What are coaches looking for here?
Baby steps. They know they've got to evaluate their team relatively quickly, but they want to see that the guys have trained well and they're ready to play.
Both these teams look ready to go, as does the official. Let's bring it on. The Rangers take possession here on the opening draw, and we are underway. Maintains possession. Wicked slap shot. Glove save, and he made it look simple. James Cebulski, Ray Ferraro with you here in the early going of this period. We've still got zeros on the board. Sabinajad's won the... And it's in the back of the net. Wow, this was quick.
Hard to believe the game can change so quickly. An early score, and it is something that nobody quite expected. Control of the face-off by the offensive team allows them to snap it into position for the shot. The goalie's not set, and he gets beat on it.
Locks them up on the draw as they take possession. And he takes a shot. Great glove save.
Time of the goal, 47 seconds.
They take possession as he locks them up off the faceoff. They go on the attack through center. Cross corner dump in. New Jersey's got a hold of it against the wall. Pokes it away to keep the pressure on. Scooped up along the wall by Smith. The Devils take it along the wing. Along the half wall with the puck. The Rangers have it against the wall. Trying to get back on the attack now. Here he is on the backhand. Oh, what a save in front. Slides the puck over. Booming shot. Oh, slick work with the glove by Rask. Plenty of playing time left in this frame. The Rangers have taken a 1-0 lead. Sabinajad's won the draw here in the offensive zone. Quick stuff by Rask. A spirited battle along the boards for the puck. Rocks him on the play. Quick feed to D'Angelo. Zero fear on this guy's part as he blocks it. Evans slides the puck along the line. Handles the saucer pass beautifully. He was locked in there. The centermen glide into position. And a good read to get possession there with the two centermen tangled up. Here's a chance to move the puck outside the zone. And a nice job by the Killers on that one.
Yeah, now they can get a change, get some fresh players on the ice.
Rips it. Oh, what a slick stop by Rask. Picked up along the wall by Sabinajad. There's another stop.
Stop one, stop two. The goalie makes a couple of excellent saves. Buchnevich is dangerous, and he's got the puck now. He had the go-ahead goal earlier on.
And that goes off a player. Picked up along the boards by D'Angelo. Passes it to Buchnevich.
You put this kind of pressure on, eventually they can't chase you anymore. Now he's got room to carry the puck.
New York's up here in the first, and they could easily be up by more based on what they've done offensively. The Rangers win the faceoff. And he caught him when he wasn't looking. What a hit. New York's got the puck along the boards. Back to the blue line. Point shot. Denies him. He got all of it. He scores on the power play.
Taking advantage of the extra man, move the puck well and get on the board.
Inching closer to the midway mark of the period. The Rangers now lead by 2. Slides in off the wing after the centerman tied him up. In close. He scores! And look at the flare with the bottle ring.
When it spins in the air and the water's flying around, it looks awesome. Oh.
Heischer's won the draw.
Scored by number 13, Nico Heischer. Assisted by
The Rangers gain possession along the wall.
time of the goal.
And now they look to make something happen from the neutral zone. Hammers a shot, and that one's turned away. Trouba's taking it from his own end. Evans moves it ahead. Keeps hold of the puck. Quick pass to Evans. Hammers one. Turns him away. More than half the period has expired. New Jersey's still down a goal here, but they have really picked up the tempo these last few minutes. Takes control of the puck. The lane was plugged up, and that shot's blocked. From the blue line, with all kinds of traffic, he grabs the puck here inside his own end. Goes right to the crease. Gives them nothing in front. And tries to make a diagonal pass to Smith. The Rangers get a hold of the puck along the boards. And there's the save. Tries to get it over to Bushnevich. From the right side, they gain the zone. New Jersey's got a hold of it along the wall. Here they come up along the wing. Takes a hit, he goes down to the ice and coughs up the puck. Sends it quickly to Bushnevich. Pass across to Panarin. And they fail to go tape to tape. New York's execution has been on point so far here in this first period. The Rangers take possession off the faceoff. Handles the puck. Hammers a shot. What a stop! Here in the later stages of this period, New York's up 2-1, and the crowd has been enjoying this one. New Jersey's got it in the defensive zone. The Devils have it now. And he's ridden off the puck. And they send it right back to him. Sends a pass over. Here's a rocket of a shot. Denies him! And with the sound of the horn, that brings some finality to the opening period, and we've got a close one. And we're about set to drop the puck here on period number 2. New York's won the draw in the neutral zone. From the left side, it moves to the middle of the ice. And he comes up with it. Still plenty of time left in this frame. The Rangers lead at 2-1 in what has been an entertaining game thus far. Zibanejad's won the draw. Big chest save as he gobbled that one up with the trapper. New York's got the lead here early in this second period. Their offense has been clicking on all cylinders thus far. Nice job tying up his opponent. There's the whistle. Offside is the call. The setters will glide into the dot. The Rangers win it. Play whistle dead because of an offside. Zibanejad's won it. Moves it to Bushnevich. Pass back to the point. Huge stop by Rask. Here's a short pass to Bushnevich. Great save by Rask. And they take possession. Nice job. He scores! A friendly ping on that one.
Yeah, great shot. He's just trying to get it past the goaltender here. It hits the pipe and goes into the net. Now, coaches talk about getting to the front of the net, make it difficult on the goalie, take his eyes away. Man, he only can see the players' butts in front of him. He can't even see the puck.
New York's now made their way back to center ice for the faceoff. I see a lot of movement, a lot of talking on the bench right now. What's the message, Ray?
Coaches are going up and down the bench, telling the players to stay on it, don't back up.
The Rangers scoop it up along the boards. New York's got it in their own zone. Smart defensive play there. Pins them against the boards as they battle for the loose puck. Grabbed along the boards by Hischier. And a nice poke check inside the neutral zone. The Devils gain control of the puck against the wall. The Rangers have a hold of it in the defensive zone. Moves it quickly over to Zibanejad. Nice pass. Here's an opportunity, and he makes the save. Here's a shot. Stops him with a glove.
Quick reflexes. You make one, you make two stops before the puck is cleared away.
New York's been the more aggressive team offensively, and they continue to lead here in the second. Inching closer to the midway mark of this period, New York's really controlled the pace of play these last few minutes, leading by 2. Grabs the puck here in their own end. Quick feed to Hughes. Here he is from the slot. He scores!
Well, they've been hoping that the extra work they've done on the power play would help them capitalize. They do a nice job there.
The Rangers are checking all the boxes tonight. More shots, more goals, and they lead in the second. Sneaks away with the puck after he was tangled up on the draw. Quick pass to Evans. Referee's hand shoots high in the air. Looks like we got a tripping penalty coming up. Evans plays it against the boards. Move to the middle. And there's the whistle stopping the play. Here's the official call.
The rookie's been a big part of this dominating portion of the game. They've been all over the opposition, and the coach is reminding them, don't take a step back. Keep pushing the pace.
They've been like a pack of Wolverines out there on the ice to this point. Another power play opportunity coming up here as they set up at the faceoff.
As someone who played a lot on the power play, you get one early in a game, it gives you more confidence. They look like they're ready to get another one.
Gets it out of his own end. New York's gained possession along the boards. Skates across the blue line. Cannon of a shot. Oh, he'll want to have that one back.
Wayne Gretzky says 100% of the shots you don't take don't go in. Same for the ones that miss the net.
Puck moved back to the neutral zone. New York's got it from behind the net. The Rangers move the puck in the defensive zone. Moves it to Evans. A chance from the slot. No room for that one to get through. Can't hang on after that hit. Quick snap, and that's another power play marker.
Well, the power play coach is going to be pumped here. They had done some extra work on the power play over the last 10 days or so. Really paying off tonight.
The Rangers have made their way back to center ice and probably breathing a little easier now as they are up by 2.
You throw that second one in your back pocket, everybody on the bench feels just a little bit better.
Driving right to the front, and that one's stopped. Here's a short pass to Kreider. Nice feed at center, moves up ahead now. Kreider's tripped up, and the official's hand is in the air, signaling penalty.
So often in a shifty little play that you're trying to get to the puck, you get your stick in the wrong spot, he steps on your stick, and there's nothing you can do.
Past the midway mark in this period, it's a 2-goal lead here tonight. 4-2 is where we're sitting. Puck is dropped, and we are back underway. Trying to clear from the defensive zone, and they get it down.
Yeah, good communication. They talk to each other. They're in the right spot. They just clear it down the ice.
The Rangers move it in. Moves it quickly over to Evans. And a great save! New Jersey's got the puck along the wall. We got a delayed penalty coming up. That trip right in front of the official's eyes. Can't get away with that. The Devils are going to be shorthanded because of a tripping call. Played with fire. He got burned, Ray.
He's digging around for the puck, and sometimes you just get caught. This time the player goes down, and he's got to go to the box.
Late goings of this period. The Rangers have recently taken a 2-goal lead. They'd love to build on it. Winds up, lets it go, and that shot gets caught in traffic. scores! Quick blast, no chance!
The good thing he one-times his puck. The goalie almost gets there, but the pass is on his tape in the low slot, and he beats him clean.
The Rangers continue to do what they've been doing all night, produce offensively.
They look like such a better team. Every time they get a chance, I expect them to score.
Right in the open ice, that one's picked off. Centering pass! Stopped by the goaltender.
18 minutes, 47 seconds.
The Rangers are on cruise control here in the second. They have absolutely dominated. New York's won the faceoff. Sends the pass over, and that's blocked. Evans will play it along the line. Big-time save on a big-time shot. There's the horn ending period number 2. Might almost be a mercy rule in some ways.
Hey kids, don't forget if you're a member of our rookie team, you'll have the opportunity to have a couple of our players sign autographs after the game.
2 down, 1 to go. Third period, they're ready to drop the puck. It's been a total mismatch here as we get underway for the third. Let's see if anything changes. Ray, with 2 periods in the books, what are your thoughts on the game to this point?
New Jersey's been a step slow almost all game. They haven't had the puck very much. They're losing. If that's going to change, they've got to get the puck and hold on to it much more.
Landeskog's picking up steam. New York's got a hold of it against the wall. Now a quick pass to Zibanejad. Can't catch up to the pass. New York's got possession here in the offensive zone. Answered the call on that play. From one-point man to another. Here's a blast, and it comes up with the save. The Devils will play it in their own end. And he slides it quickly to Landeskog. Through center along the wing. And it's a quick pass to Smith. Denied by the goaltender. New York's moving it up the ice. He grabs the puck here at the point. That's using the body on the block. Pokes it away in his own end. New Jersey's got a hold of the puck. Dished on over to Hischier. New Jersey's moving it into the offensive end. They've got numbers. Here's a chance. And he says no. The Devils have it against the wall. The Rangers take possession in the neutral zone. Grabs control of it at the point. Shot. He scores!
2 goals on the night for him. They've really been effective forechecking, a couple of breaks, and now he's got 2. The goaltender never picks this up. There's so many people in front of the net. But how does the puck get through all of those people without hitting a body or a stick? It is a seeing eye shot. The rookie's had a really good game, and he gets a little tap from the coach as he comes back to the bench. That doesn't happen very often. Pretty satisfying when you know the boss is happy with you.
We've called his name multiple times. He's been all over the ice tonight. The Rangers have been whipping their opponents all night long, and it continues here in the third.
This has been as good a performance as you can possibly imagine. There's really nothing to say behind their bench right now.
By number 24.
Receives the pass. There's the whistle stopping the play.
Time of the goal, 13 minutes, 58.
And he's off to the box for 2 for tripping.
Not much of an argument there. A stick between the player's feet.
New York's power play unit puts their hard hats on as they go back to work.
I've liked the way they've run their power play tonight. They've been successful scoring, but also they've really looked in unison.
New York's got the puck along the boards. Takes the feed.
Buchnevich has got one. You know he's thinking more in a blowout.
There's the whistle. Offside is the call, stopping the play. New York showing no signs of slowing down here in this third period, up big time. Kruger's won possession. Here inside the defensive zone, they get the puck. And now he angles it across to Wood. And tries to make a diagonal pass to Subban. Tries to get the puck over to Kruger. Strong defensive effort. He gets a piece of it with a stick. New York's put in one of their most complete efforts that we have seen in quite some time, up big time late in this third. The Rangers win the draw. Buchnevich is moving it ahead. Right side set up ahead into the middle of the ice. Gets the full use of his stick on the poke check. The Rangers take possession here in the open ice. From the left side, they enter the offensive zone. Hammers one at the net. Denies him with the save. The Rangers aren't far from the finish line now as they lead it late in this third period. New York's got it in the offensive zone. Tape-to-tape feed on the blue line. Stones him on the play. They'll want to clear the zone here while they're trying to kill off this penalty. New Jersey's got it along the wall. The Rangers gain possession along the wall. Quick feed to Evans. Comes up with the stop. New Jersey's penalty killers get a hold of it. Up along the wing. Dumps it into the O-zone. New York's got the puck in the defensive end. To his teammate. Way up front. He scores!
Add that power play goal to the earlier one. They've really done well with the extra man here. That pass is on and off his stick in an instant. No stopping it, one-timing it so it's in the net.
The Rangers have really opened it up here in the third period. Impressive offensive performance.
It's coming from everybody. They've kept their foot on the gas. It's been a relentless offensive attack.
Takes the pass. Just misses.
You kick yourself in the tail after you miss a chance like this. Has to be on the net.
Feeds it on over to Evans. Moves the puck. Here's a chance.
Wow.
With authority. The Devils get a hold of the puck along the boards. Takes the feed. Saved by the goaltender who stayed with it on the redirect.
Sharp reaction save.
The Rangers are in the home stretch of this one, leading big time in the third. Back underway, and they take possession here inside the offensive zone. That's all she wrote from this one. New Jersey's losing streak continues as they fall yet again.
You think it's got to change, James. I mean, in theory, it's the same story night after night.
And that'll do it for...